Good morning, students. Good morning, students. Is my screen visible? My voice audible? Students? Yes. Now we'll start our class. See, first I will explain you all the programs. After that, we will go for execution. Okay. Today, full day programming. See, arithmetic operators, addition plus subtraction minus x minus y. You have to write multiplication, multiply, division, division symbol, slash. Students, Are you hearing me? Students, are you able to hear me? Can I start my class? Okay, good. Now I'll start you Python operators. I will explain you. After that, I will explain all the programs. After that, we will go for execution. If you have any problem, then tell. Okay. Mute yourself. All of you students, mute yourself. Python operators. So how many operators are there? Arithmetic operator, assignment, comparison, lexical, identity, membership, bitwise. So here, arithmetic operator, already I explained you how to work in addition symbol, subtraction symbol, multiplication symbol, division symbol, modulo symbol, and exponents symbol, and floor division. Okay, see, plus subtraction means minus, multiplication means only multiplication symbol, star, division slash, single slash, and modulo symbol, and exponential means you have to keep power. If 2 power 3 you want to write, 8 will come. That time you have to write double star. And double slash means floor division. If you wanted to divide one thing, see, 9 divided by 3, our reminder is getting 0, so that time 3 we are getting output. But if I will give you 9 divided by 2, I want only integer part. I want only integer part. That time 4 will come, not 4.5. Okay, 4 will come. That time we need, if you need 4.5, then single slash. If you need only 4, then double slash it will work. Now comparison operator is equal to, double is equal to, equal, double is equal to, if 5 greater than 3, then you have to write true, otherwise false. On that time, if you, in that time you have to keep double is equal to, not is equal to. Not is equal to means if 5 not is equal to 10, if 5 not is equal to 10, that time you have to keep not is equal to. All conditions you have to use your x greater than y, x less than y, x greater is equal to y, x less than is equal to y. Next, comparison. Comparison means is equal to operation. X is equal to 5. Is same as x is equal to 5, but plus of 3. Plus is equal to means x plus is equal to 3. What is the meaning of this? X is equal to x plus 3. X is equal to x plus 3. If you will declare here x is equal to 5, x is equal to 5, x plus is equal to 3 means that x will be added plus 3. 5 plus 3, 8 will come. So you can write x plus is equal to 3, or you can write x is equal to x plus 3. Both are equal. Okay. Minus is equal to x minus 3. If x is equal to 5, you will declare x is equal to 5. That time you may write x minus is equal to 3 or x is equal to x minus 3. Both are same. Multiplication, star is equal to, otherwise you can write x star is equal to 3. What's the meaning? X is equal to x star 3. Slash is equal to means division. X divided is equal to 3, or x is equal to x divisible by 3. Modulus, x modulus is equal to 3, or x is equal to x modulus 3. Double slash, x double slash is equal to, or x double slash is equal to 3, or x is equal to x double slash 3. See, everywhere if you, this is x, whatever it is, double slash is equal to you, it is same as x is equal to x double slash 3. That's the meaning is like that. X ampersand is equal to 3, or x is equal to x ampersand 3. Both you can write. This one is you can write, or this one you can write. Both you can write. Both are equal. Okay, and parallel is equal to slash is equal to x parallel of, this is parallel symbol, is equal to 3. This is ampersand symbol, and this is and symbol. Okay, and this is power symbol, x power is equal to, or x power is equal to 3, or x is equal to x power of 3, or less than, this is left shift of is equal to 3, this is x left shift, like this right shift of also there. Now logical operator, nothing is there, and or not. And means it will return true if both statements are true. It will return true if both, if there is will be x is equal to y, x is equal to y, sorry, x greater than y, 5 greater than 10, then it will get true. See, these both statements, x is x less than 5 and x less than 10, these both statements true, then it will show true. X is or statement, what is returns true if one of the statement is true, if one of the statement is true, if x greater than 5 or x less than 5. Not reverse the result, return false if the result is true. Not if the result should be false, then only the output you will get as a true. Okay, now identity operator means if x is y, returns true if both variables are same object, if both variables are same object. Is not, returns true if both variables are not the same object. Means x phi is equal to 5 is true, that time is you will write phi is 5. If phi is not equal to 5, then we have to write phi is not 6, means that time we will get as a true. If is not, means that time we will use phi is not 6. Now and operator means this is and symbol. If in bit, this is bitwise operator. Bitwise means in our computer will accept only zeros and ones. For that bitwise operators are required. With bitwise operators are used to compare the numbers. Set each bit to 1 if both bits are 1. If each bit 1 if both bits are 1. If a is equal to 1, b is equal to 1, that our result will come as a 1. If a is equal to 0, b is equal to 1, the result will come as a 0 only, means false. Okay, and or operator if each bit to 1, if one of two bits are 1, means if a is equal to 1, b is equal to 0, that time also you will get 1, means 1 means true. If XOR operator, this XOR operator, if each bit to 1, if only one of two bits is 1, if each bits are 1, if set each bit to 1, if any all bits should be get to 1, then only you will get the output was 1. Not get means it is inverse means reverse. If one you will get a is equal to 1, your result you will get as a 0. If 0, you will get as a 1. Left shift, 0 field left shift means if one value will be there, you will get as a 1 0. Your 1 should be go under left, one must fall. Shift left by pushing 0 in form of right, and let the left shift mode bit fall off. Means or right shift means the right shift, that your bits will go under right. I will show you this practically way. I will show you this practically. Now you only use learn theory. Okay. Now we are. I will tell you the programs for build IT programs. Already we done build IT program sum of two numbers. Yes or no? Now this is the second program, sum of two real numbers. Sum of two real numbers. What is the question they given? Program to find sum of given two real numbers to the nearest integer value. To the nearest integer value means only rounding of your value, means output should come integer and both input you will get float. both in input you have to give float. Means what you will declare here? Can you tell me? Unmute and tell me. Anyone? How we will declare input of this 5.5? Tell me. Unmute and tell me.
Single star, ma'am.
5.5 how we will declare, and 6.5 how we will declare. Tell me how you will declare 5.5, how you will declare 6.5. Yesterday I explained how you declared only. Yes, correct. Don't give privately. 102 don't give privately, all give your everyone, means all should know how you are giving and what you are giving. Okay, here A is equal to float of input we are giving, and B is equal to same thing we will give, obviously. Yes or no? Yes, B is equal to 6.5. How you will give? If you wanted to give directly, then A is equal to yes, we have to print integer part. But we have to give input. We have to get input from user by using float. But we have to get output from our computer by using integer. Okay, that is our solution for this program. Sum of two real numbers. Two real numbers means both should be float, and programs to find sum of given two real numbers to the nearest integer value. See 5.5. How much? 5.5, 6.5. 5, 5 is 0 and 5, 6, 11 and 12. If we will give here float, 12.0 should come. But here we are giving integer, so we are getting 12. What is the C? Sum of two real integer. A is equal to float of input. B is equal to float of input. We are asking from computer. If we don't want to ask computer, directly we wanted to write A is equal to 5.5, B is equal to 6.5, C is equal to A plus B. Then print. If we want float, here print float of C. If we want here integer, we are giving print of integer of C. Okay, getting my point? Any doubt, all of you? Anyone is having any doubt? Tell me, any doubt on this program? Okay, good. See, I will run this program in Build IT. Is it visible Build IT screen? Students, is it visible Build IT screen? Tell me yes or no. I am not understanding. Is it visible or not? Yes. So level 0, basics, and already we solved this one. Sum of two real numbers, we will go here and go to online editor, and here we will write here our program. What is this? A is equal to, what we will write? Float of what we will write, student? Input of, you give the number. Next, like this, B is equal to float of input of, we'll ask the input from our user, and we will get output C is equal to A plus B, and we are printing our input. If I will write here print only C, and here I have to give as per our sample program. I will give you 5.5 and 6.5. As per our sample program, what is our output should be 12. But here 12.0 is coming because I didn't give here any declaration. I wanted to declare here only integer part because I want only integer. I want only integer. So we will run this program. We are getting 12. Okay, getting my point, all of you? All of you have to complete all the build IT programs. By tomorrow you have to complete 10 programs. I will explain you now. By tomorrow I will check your CMS login and I will get it. I should get it. All programs should be done. 10 programs I need every once. Okay, now we have to run our program and we have to submit our program. See, I got 100 mark. Okay, getting my point? Yes. Now I wanted to share my screen again. Is this visible, my PPT? Can you reply me, students? Yes, good. Now I will go to next program. Okay, what is our next program? Circumference. This is question only. What is the circumference of our circle? What is the meaning of area and circumference? Can you tell me, anyone? What is the meaning of area and circumference of the circle? Not meaning formula. Can you tell me? Anyone can tell me what is the formula of area and circumference of circle? Anyone can tell me the formula? Area of circle, you know, no? Okay. 3.14 into R. Okay. Next, area pi r square. Okay, good. Area is pi r square. Circumference 2 into pi r square. 2 into pi r. 2 pi r. Okay, good. Good. Area is pi r square. Circumference formula is 2 pi r. See here, integer one given, but our output we are getting here float. What is the output? See here, I written here math. From here, I told you math. We have to import from math. Then key, we are not getting error. Any exception errors we should not get from our system from outside. Okay, so I am importing pi from math. From pi, I am from math. I am getting pi. So I am writing from math import pi. From math import pi. So here r is equal to float of input. I am taking r is equal to float of input. You can take, see here we are giving r is equal to integer of input and print string of pi r square. String, not string, and circumference is 2 pi r. Print circumference. What is that? You will go for back. Mute your voice, students. Next one is division of two numbers. You have to tell me this one. Division of two numbers. Online editor. Division of two numbers. After that, we will go for that. What is our question? What is our question? Division of two numbers. Division of given two numbers. Both should be float, and output also we are getting float. 5.0 and 6.3. A is equal to 5.0, and we will go to our. Is it visible? Build IT screen. Students, is it visible? Yes or no? Okay. A is equal to float of what I will write? Float of what I will write? Tell me. See here our program. A is equal to 5.0. B is equal to 6.3. What I will write? Float of input of any number. We'll ask. Next, B is equal to also float. B is equal to float of input of any number I am giving. So what do you have to do? Division. Division should be division is equal to C is equal to A divided B. Yes, single slash I am giving because it is float. Print. If double slash I should give, then that should be floor division will come. C. So what is the input? What is the input I taken? 5.3, 6.3. 5.3, 6.3. Okay, I will run this program. I got this output. What is the output we should match? 793651. But this output is wrong, maybe here they given, because after writing we are getting this output. There will be no. If I will give here, see B divided A what is the input? What is our input here they given? 5.0. Oh, sorry. 5.0, and we will run here. Correct. We are getting our correct output 0.73651. 0.73651. I will submit this 0. Why we are getting here 0? Anyone can tell me why we are getting here 0? Don't talk. Mute yourself. Who is talking? See here, if you wanted to round off 2-bit, print round off to anything 2-bit we have to write. Print. What is the function name? Print round off our number, comma 2 or comma 3. How many numbers do you want? We will get it. So here we will write here what is the output. Here print round off C, comma. How many numbers do you want here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Run. Achha. 6. Okay, this is our function of rounding off. If how many numbers you want, that many numbers you will get after decimal. Rounding off. If I will give you a rounding of 2, is my screen is visible? All of you students, is it visible? Okay, good. See, if I want rounding off, if I will give you a rounding of 2, then I will get only 2 numbers after decimal, our output. Rounding off, if I will not write here rounding of anything, then what will I will get? 1. Okay, means 0.7 here, 0.7 means 0.79 means approximate 1. Okay, more than 5 after point, if we are getting more than 5, then we will consider as a 1. You know that very well. So here we are writing what is our question requirement. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Our requirement is 6. So we will run our program. We are getting 6 digits. Okay, after point, if how many numbers, rounding of numbers you want, that many numbers you will get, and after that you will go for submit, and you will get as a 100%. Getting, students? Any doubt? Any doubt? All of you students, any doubt? No. You have to get only rounding off from decimal points to reduce. Okay, not for integers. Decimal points. This is rounding off only for integer, not only for decimal points. Only you have to rounding off. You wanted means I will try it. 0.0 we are getting rounding off. See here. I'll keep here 2. What is our rounding of 0.0? Yes, getting my point. So here, if I will give you as per your requirement, I'm giving here 8 and I'm giving here 4. What should be rounding off will come? 2, 2.0. So here, if we are getting rounding off our float, if I will give your float, see here, float 2 and 4.2 I am giving. What is the output? 2.0 will should come, but here we are getting 1.0. Means after, if I will give here single slash, means only division 1.95 we are getting, means rounding off 2 points, that only decimal point rounding off will be come. Okay, after decimal points, how many numbers you want, that many numbers if you will get. If I will give here, our rounding off will be 6. What is our rounding off? See, 6 points is getting. Okay, getting my point? Any doubt? Any other doubts? Any other doubts, students? We'll go for next program otherwise. Okay, next program is this one. I will close. This one also I will close. Sum also completed. This one also I will close. Now circumference of our circle. What is our circumference? Find the area and circumference of our circle. What is our formula? It was there. Online editor. And we will get here print of integer. I am giving print of integer. Okay, I will give you a run. I will give you a point. What is the value? What is our question? 5. 5 run. Why we are getting like this? Can you tell me? Anyone, can you tell me what is the solution? Why I am getting here? Why I am getting here? This one. pi r square float, correct. Where we are getting the output running line of 2, second line, pi, correct, 2.3 r. If I will give here only this one, instead of pi, if I will write 3.14, what we will get output? No need this one. Line 3 float line r is equal to line 2 r is equal to float input, invalid character are identified. What is this invalid character? Pi r square, no? B, what happened? Yesterday it was running. Import pi r is equal to float input string. Let's see here. This one we'll see once. Import math. Line 5 float of input. Acha, 5.0 will take. No, float of input. Why it is not taking? Anyone can tell me why I am not getting? Why I am not getting? Anyone can tell me? If I will not write import math, what will happen? R is equal to int of input pi. If in place of pi, I will write here 3.14. Line to print. What happened? It should come actually. In bracket we will keep 1 minute. Before R maybe. Hence, line to print R. Okay, 1 minute. Next. Yesterday it was running. What happened today? Okay, otherwise we will, if it came 78.5. Okay. In bracket only mistakes happen. We have to give brackets, maybe that for that purpose. I will see you now in import file. Why import it should work, it should not work. Import math. Here I will write here pi. We will run it. Okay, pi is not accepting, maybe for that purpose. I will see and tell you why pi is not accepting. Tomorrow class I will tell you why pi is not accepting. So I am keeping here direct value. So 78.5. What is the circumference? 78.57. So all outputs why they given here, and here I should write here float. If see here 78.5, only 1 point it is coming, because I given here only 5 integer I given. So here the multiplication, if we will give here pi, then we will get correct answer. So 78 point, see here how many numbers they given, 5 7 1 4 2 9. Okay students, you will get it. Okay, here if we will give here float c comma, how many numbers we need? 6. What happened again? C comma float of 6, print 6. Okay, 6 is not there, I think so. 4. No, it's not coming. 2. No. Here 5.0. I will give you an input float. F float of input I am giving here. No, we are not getting. Only C directly we are getting here. If we will get here directly, we are getting 78.5. Here we have to give here. Yes, I will use pi, because why pi is not working there from math import pi. I just written why it is not working. I will check it once. Why it is not working? I'll check it once. It should work actually because of pi. Why it is not working? Because of some exceptional error, it is not working. Pi only not working in our main.py. In 3.6 maybe it is pi is not acceptable. See, version to version it may be changed. The changes is coming. So pi is not accepting. In our math, pi word is not accepting. Why it is not accepting? That is also I will tell you tomorrow. Okay, now students, you just keep hold on this, because if we are not getting here proper output, we will not get mark our 100%. I think so. So here we have to give here 3.14 only. If 3.14 we are giving, we are getting proper output. And submit also, if we will submit, you will get 0. Because why we are getting 0? Because here our proper value we are not, we didn't keep. Only pi r square we kept. But here circumference also we have to keep. Okay, circumference and up to 6 digit after decimal we have to get. You try once by today. Tomorrow I will tell you how to get 6 digits, and circumference though you will get it formula. Yes, that also we can keep. 22/7 also we can keep it. Okay, no problem. Circumference you can do it yourself. Circumference formula but you have to write here in bracket. Every formula you have to write here bracket, then only it is accepting. See, Python, what is the main problem in Python means, in version to version, when you are changing versions, some differentiate you will find out. 3.6 to 3.8. some differentiate you will find out. This is Python 3.6, may not it is accepting 3.6. This py is not accepting, some other way it is accepting, but see what the problem it is showing when I am writing here py main, from main dot py it is not accepting, that only output error it is showing. See here, what is the error? If I am writing here py, I am running here, what is the error it is showing? See, in main.py line 2, this py name py is not defined. If I will write here, what is the name py is not defined? If I will write here, import math from math, import from math, import py. If I will write here, what is the problem it is showing? Oh, it is showing output. Now, that time what happened? Round. If I will give you a round, okay. Now it is working. 78 points. At that time some mistake happened. Maybe I didn't keep in bracket or integer. R is equal to integer I written, so that it is not accepting. Now R is equal to float I given. So 7.6 digits after decimal we got 6 digits, and you will write here circumference 2. Okay, good. You written pi? Yes. 22/7 you taken. Okay, good. That is also okay, no problem. Now what is our simple interest? What is our simple interest? Program to find a simple interest from a given principal, rate of interest and time. Principal they given means total amount. What is the rate of our interest? What is the time period in a year? What is the time period in a year? If you will get this input, what we will take? 500.0 means you have to take float. 5.0 means you have to take float, and 2 means you have to take integer, and output also you need integer. So here, see, what is P? Principal means P. Is it visible? My PPT is visible, students, everyone? Students, my PPT is visible? Anyone can tell me the answer? Okay. P is equal to float of input. I taken P is equal to, okay, good. P is equal to principal amount 500.0 means this is float, and rate of interest is 5.0. This is also float, and time is equal to 2. This is integer. So 2 floats we taken, and time is equal to R. Time is equal to integer we have to take. Time is equal to, what is the formula? Simple interest formula, PTR by 100. What is the formula? PTR by 100, and print simple interest, because we no need to write here integer. Directly we will get here integer. If you want correct integer of simple interest you have to write. Integer of simple interest you have to write. Understood all of you? Take a note of this and you run this. Okay. See, what is the simple interest formula? First you take two simple interest. Principal is 500.0 and rate of interest is 5.0. Time is equal to 2. And if you will tell, I will execute. Anyone want me to execute? Anyone want? Otherwise, I will execute now. No need. But I am thinking I will explain 10 programs. Which one is difficult you are facing? Just I will explain that one. P is equal to float of input. T is equal to float of input, R is equal to int of input, because two are float, one is integer. What is the simple interest formula? PTR by 100. Here 5 2. Here you have to take, what is the output here? 500. 500.0 is the, what is the input you have to give? 5.0. And here what you will give input? 2. If you will give these 3, if you will get correct output, what is the output? Our 50. If you will get here output 50, then you will get 100%. Then you will get 100%. Okay, PTR by 100. This is nothing but, in PTR you have to keep in one bracket. That's it. In PTR, because all multiplications keep in one bracket or divided by 100. Okay, all of you see here, PTR you have to keep in one bracket. Then the computer will understand properly. Keep these 3 we have to multiply first. After that we will divide. Now fifth program. Centigrade to Fahrenheit. What is the meaning of centigrade to Fahrenheit? What is the formula? Centigrade to Fahrenheit. Program to convert the temperature from degree centigrade to Fahrenheit. In Fahrenheit, what is the formula? Degree centigrade multiplied by, what is the centigrade to degree means? They have to give centigrade value 32. 32 into 9 by 5 plus 32. Okay. 32 into 9 by 5 plus 32. 32. See here, what is the centigrade formula? All of you keep note of this. What is the formula for centigrade to Fahrenheit conversion? What is the formula for centigrade to Fahrenheit conversion? All of you write down this. Note on this formula. Okay, understood? Centigrade formula, centigrade to Fahrenheit inside bracket, then computer can understand ki you are writing